This is Helen from CAMC Group. Today, we are delivering one flatbed tow truck to Maldives. This is a project for Maldives government. Now let me introduce this truck to you. This truck is by DONGFENG Captain Truck Chassis, and this truck is a right-handed drive. Let me show you the cabin to you. The engine is HOWO brand diesel type, and the horsepower is 120. And the tire is the stereo radial type. This is the hydraulic platform. The length of the platform is 5.8 meters, and the width is 25 meters. The loading capacity of the platform is 5 tons with 5 tons winch, 3.5 tons underlift. The platform 4 millimeters thickness checker plate. It is very strong and treated by the electrophoretic painting. Anti-rust effect is very good. We use the top brand hydraulic pump and oil cylinders. The Italian hydro control multi-way valves. Our customers' requirement, this truck is equipped with remote control. It's very convenient to operate it. That's all. If you need the best quality rental truck from China, please contact us, CAMC Group. See you next time.